Hi my Simply Beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Alright, so in today's video, IZIWIGS.com sent me over this unit. This is 14 inches, and basically it's a bob, and it's a silky straight, and it's in natural black, and it's a 360 unit. So this is my first time working with a 360 unit, and first I'm doing the balding method with the cap. Okay, I got inspired by this young lady on YouTube. I'll link her video below, how I did kind of sort of the way she did hers, but I'll link it below. But anyways, it came with some comb. It came with a comb and a netted stocking cap, and also the regular black stocking cap. Alright, so with this unit, I did notice around the perimeter of the unit, the hairline, I think it was bleached and also pre-plugged lightly, but you do get your combs in there, and also your adjustable straps in the back, and also around the hairline it has the single knotting and the double knotting throughout the unit. And what I love about the 360, now that I have experience with 360, you can do updos, you can do ponytails, and it's also freestyle parting, which is awesome. And you don't have to worry about your track showing or your edges looking a hot mess, honey. So yes. But yeah, so this is what it looks like right out the box. I do not think this is big head friendly. See right here, you see my balding cap right there, and I wish I did not do the balding cap, you guys. I wish I just put a stocking cap on and put the wig on my head. So that's where I messed up at. It says on here one size fit all, but it's not fitting my big noggin all the way. I don't know if it's the braids in the back I had, I don't know, but I'm going to finesse this unit, okay? So I am going to bleach the knots. Let me know if you want to see a video of me bleaching the knots. My first time bleaching a full 360 like this before, honey. But I did. This is my first time using that too. They got to be freeze spray is awesome. I do recommend it if you are a wig wearer, and I like to do that. I lay my edges with the a lot of body. What is that? The styling motion mousse stuff. And also I'm going to spray my hair with the heat protector spray. And yeah. So I really love the feel of this unit. It's very nice. It's very flowy. It's very lightweight. And I really fell in love with this unit. And it had no smell coming out the pack, which is awesome. And I did wash it, and it had like a light body wave to it, nothing major. So yeah, you do need to flat iron it. But yeah, it's pretty perfect. Only thing I don't like about it, doesn't fit my head all the way. So it's okay. I slicked down the sides right there, trying to finesse it, but baby girl, I tried. But yeah, I'm just gonna flat iron it and everything like that. But make sure you check out IZIWIGS.com. I'll link the link below. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Alright, bye.